Oh, hi there, bitch. Welcome back. How are you? How's your day going? I hope you're doing good. I'm gonna show you how to do this eyeshadow look. I got it from one of my mutuals on TikTok. They are so pretty. I can't even. I'm gonna be using Ace Beauty's Tropical Vibes palette. Now, if you have hooded eyes, do not fret because I have hooded eyes. You can still create whatever eyeshadow look you want as long as you put it above your crease. This is my natural crease. If I were to put this right there and then look forward, it's pretty much gone. Instead, what I have to do is I'm going to look forward. Don't raise your eyebrow up or anything. Relax your face. I'm going to apply this above my crease. Kind of just sketching a line in. I'm not doing anything too crazy. I like to think of this as drawing a half circle. Every eye shape is different, so yours might not be like a perfect half circle. Yours might be bigger, smaller. That's just what I think about to make it easier. We have to bring our eyeshadow this high up just to be able to see what we are doing. So once you sketch that in, you can go in with a bigger brush, go back into that dark green eyeshadow, fill that whole half circle in. And I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm literally just tapping this on. And I'm going back into the palette and adding more so that there's no patchiness. Sometimes blue eyeshadows or eyeshadows that lean a little more blue can be kind of hard to blend out. So just take a breath and just prepare yourself. Take your brush. I'm going to wipe some off so I don't have too much left on there. You see at the top of this eyeshadow? That's where you're going to put your brush down and go side to side. And you're going to hold your brush really far back. You don't want a lot of pressure with this. I'm just doing like a sweeping motion. And you get to choose how far you want to blend this out. I like to flick out my outer corner because I like more of a lifted look, but some people like more of a rounded look. It's really up to you. The farther that I move my brush up, the less pressure I'm using. I'm putting the most pressure right here. Lighter, 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 barely touching my skin the farther or higher up that I go. So now if you look, it looks kind of patchy. Like it looks really dark right here and then blended. You're going to go back into that green eyeshadow. Right in between, you're going to take your brush and flick it back. The reason why this is going to take some time is because you might have to put a little bit more on and then you have to reblend it and then you have to go put even more on and then blend it again, and it's annoying. I do try to leave a gap between my eyebrow and the eyeshadow. Now if you're like, Brianna, my blending looks like shit. Take your face powder on a brush or just an eyeshadow that's kind of close to your skin tone on a clean fluffy brush. Clean. You don't want any green on here. And right in between the eyebrow and that eyeshadow, you're going to go in little circles and blend it out. Now that we have that blended out, what we're going to do is go into that shimmer. I like to just use my finger. I like to focus this on the middle of my eye, right towards the lash line, kind of pressing it in and then pulling back. You can take a clean finger and pull at the edges to help make sure that that glitter is kind of blended out. I mixed together a blue and a green waterline eyeliner. So first I went in with the blue and then I took the dark green and layered it on top. I kind of bring it a little bit past my waterline because I'm going to go back into that really tiny brush and I'm not going to add any product. I'm going to use what's left on it. I'm going side to side to help soften it up. I'm using a really tiny brush because I don't want like raccoon eyes. This camera always picks up how bad I apply my lashes. So excuse the fact that my lashes are gonna look like shit. I don't wait for my lashes to dry because I have the patience of a toddler. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you have a great day. Hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below what you want me to do next. Goodbye!